I was looking in my closet, and it's funny how a lot of the same things I wore in high school and the beginning of college are like what's hot now. And that's like what was in like late 90s, early 2000s. So it's been like 18, 19 years since like some of these clothes were kind of in style. And I used to shop at a lot of stores like Forever 21, Charlotte Russe, which isn't in business anymore. Like, like teenage type of stores. So the crazy thing is, on top of that, is that I'm actually a little bit smaller than I was in high school, which is a big win if you ask me. So many things don't fit, but some of these things do. And that was the era when I wore like a lot of tube tops, crops, tops, mini skirts. I often didn't wear like a bra with a lot of these pieces, but I was just thinking it would be really interesting to see if they still fit. And you guys might be surprised because some of these things I still see today when I watch other people's haul videos, because a lot of the 90s and 2000s fashion is in. So let's go ahead and see if this fits. So this is the first piece. I actually wore this, I remember, to like my senior year high school graduation pictures, or at least under my gown. And it's actually still cute. So it's got this really cute like one shoulder straps like that, and it's this like kind of like wrinkly stone print, and it's like a nude color on me. It hits the ground like that, and I think this is still cute to this day. What do you guys think? So this is what it looks like. I can definitely see somebody still wearing this dress. It's kind of like simple, but got a little bit of that early 2000s vibe. So cute, cute, cute. Speaking of high school graduation, my parents still have my high school cap and gown back here with my little medals from various things. Yup, nostalgia. Okay, so I moved the mirror to take advantage of better lighting, but this next dress is actually, it's an interesting story. This is from Urban Outfitters in like 1999, I think I bought this. It was in Boston. They have the Urban Outfitters bargain basement, which is like super discounted. I don't know if they still have that, but this is before Urban Outfitters was like kind of widespread and all over the place. And that used to be my favorite store back in the day, because anytime we visited Boston, I would want to go because my brother went to school in Boston University, so we would visit him. And I thought this dress was so cute. This is when like the little Asian inspired prints were in, but looking back at it now, it's kind of baggy, but I loved this dress so much. On the day of homecoming junior year, I wore this. I split the seam right here, and you can kind of see it, and we had to put like medical tape because the zipper broke, so it looks like my mom fixed it. But this is my homecoming outfit. Very modest, right? So as you can see, I probably should have had it taken up a little bit. I think this could still be really cute if it was taken in and then maybe lifted up a little bit. I'm not really a silver girl, but hey, the print's pretty. Let me show you an actual picture of me from my junior prom. That's me right there. Do you see little me? That's me. Okay, here's outfit number 3. So this is like a little lingerie type top. I used to wear these kind of tops with the spaghetti straps all the time, and now I see everybody wearing these really skinny spaghetti straps again, and I feel like you would see this still out, and I think it's very cute. It's got a little vintage vibe to it with the lace, and it's got a little drawstring, which makes it nice and cropped. So I could totally see somebody wearing it. The straps fall down a little bit though, so that's super annoying. Now I bet it was annoying back then too. And this simple, like 3/4 length tight black skirt, I remember I wore this to high school. I wore this in high school like all the time with heels and some kind of like clubby top. When I was in high school, I was the type of girl who would never wear jeans or sneakers or flats. I always wore heels, dresses, like tight club pants, and like skirts like this. So I would totally wear something like this with a top like this, but with like a little shrug or half cardigan, because we weren't allowed to wear spaghetti straps, and like little wedges. Isn't that crazy? If I saw my daughter wearing that stuff to high school now, I'd be like, why? Why are you so dressed up? Where are you going? So yeah, I could totally wear this shirt again though. Switched out the tops. So like I said, when I was in high school and college, I lived in tube tops just because I thought they were super flattering. I was always tan living in Florida. This is a simple white one with a little drawstring. I guess you could kind of make it tighter in the middle if you wanted to. But I actually think it's still cute. Like this could be a nice little basic. It's cropped. Cropped is very in and it kind of goes in at the belly like that, which I think is flattering. I would totally wear this with like a jean skirt or shorts for the summer. And it looks really good because I'm tan right now because of course I'm in Florida, I went to the beach. So I might bring this home with me. It's still cute. And this is probably from one of those teen stores like Rave. Do you guys remember Rave? I don't know if that's a Florida store. Probably got it from one of those, but I definitely wore this with some skirts. I'll show you the picture. So if you look, I was into arts and crafts. You can see with this little picture frame I made. That is me wearing the white tube top with this skirt. I think that skirt is from Urban Outfitters too, and the chunky, super chunky wedge sandals. That's it right there. So I used to wear this top when I used to go out to like my freshman year at college to like little house parties. And I loved this shirt so much because I thought it was so flattering. The print was okay, but it's actually reversible. I don't know if you can see the inside. So I like this side better, but this little handkerchief style was kind of in back then. But what I loved about it was the back, and I'm wearing a bra with it. But it's got 3 ties, like one. Do you see that? Let me move this strap. So the back has 3 little ties right here. And I used to think that was so like sexy and cute, but now I'm wearing it with a strapless bra because I have mom boobs and I can't have all this little side boob action without a bra. So I love this shirt still actually. I think that's, like I said, flattering, but I can't do no bras, so I'd have to do one of those little sticky bras probably, but it's so low cut. It's low cut on the side too. So yeah. I still like this, so I would definitely dress this down and wear it with like some kind of denim bottom. But yeah, super cute, right? Still cute. Okay, so this shirt is actually from the early 2000s. I remember wearing it to Boston for a summer internship event that I had to go to for the company I was working for, and I wore this with like a white linen skirt from H&M, and I thought it was, and I had a little flower in my hair because that was my signature back then, and I thought it was so cute. But this is from a store called Art & B. I used to love that store. I think it's closed now. But I feel like this style is so in now again. Like this kind of like feminine little ruffle sleeve. Looking at now, this boob part is kind of short. But yeah, and it's got a little bow in the back. I think this is so pretty still. Like I could wear this with like a white bottom. I would totally do the same thing. Really flattering because this part like squinches you in. And this color, like this blush pink, so cute. So this is another handkerchief top. It's kind of like a faux suede, like very neutral color. I have a funny story about this shirt. So when I was senior year prom, me and my girlfriends, we got a hotel after prom, and we changed into our like going out outfit. So I wore this and a skirt, and crazily enough, my friend was driving and we were kind of sleepy because it was like 2 in the morning. We had just gotten back from like McDonald's. Something happened. We got in this big car accident where somebody cut us off. Nobody was drinking, but the car like spun out and it crossed over the median. So this is a handkerchief tops, right? So it just has one little tie in the back. Ignore my bra. I didn't wear it with a bra back then. The car accident was so bad, we crossed over the median, ended up riding a fence on the other side of the highway until we like eventually the fence slowed us down. So this top, because there's nothing to it, pretty much went all the way down, and I was like topless after the car accident. I didn't even notice because it was like so much bumpiness. But yeah, I still think this is cute. Like I would, to restyle this now, I would wear this with more of like a long kind of like loose pant, like kind of like more chic with like a heel, because it's kind of like, you know, skimpy, but with a pant I think it would be cute. So yeah, no, there is absolutely no support in here. Like luckily I'm wearing a bra. Still cute though, right? I mean, you could totally picture somebody doing like a Shein or like, you know, Boohoo haul and getting this, right? Yeah. So I found this little bomber jacket in my closet and I'm surprised, like it's very nice quality. It's like this heavy faux satin and like ribbed sleeves, cuffs, and right here it's actually a size medium, but it's kind of a little bit big. Yeah, short people problems when your hands get covered. But I could totally see this being cute with, you know, like high-waisted jeans. I feel like bombers kind of made a comeback in the last couple of years, and this is a neutral black color. It's very cropped though, like I said, so you would definitely have to wear it with like a high-waisted pant or some high-waisted leggings. It's hot. Like right now I'm sweating wearing this. So I don't even know why I wore this in Florida back in the day. It must have been for like a hot 2 hours when it was cold enough to wear a jacket. Because it's hot in Florida. I need to put the ceiling fan on, but I'm trying not to have the noise in this video. So this is a dress from Rave again. This is a store that was really popular in like high school, like kind of like rainbow like ish store. My friend used to work there in high school actually. So this is like a stretchy denim material looking dress, and I actually still think it's cute. So this is a size large, so it still fits me because it's like junior sizing. I remember back in the early 2000s or like late 90s, denim was in, like everybody wore all denim, like Britney Spears and Justin Timberlake. Do you remember when they had their matching like denim outfit? So that kind of reminds me of that era, but to me it just looks like a simple little, you know, denim dress. I feel like I went to Ross like a week ago and I saw some dresses that look similar to this. And like I said, back then I was a tube top girl, so everything was tube tops. So I can see why I wore this, but I could see this with some like nude shoes and it would still be cute. So yeah, I think I could probably even wear a medium because it's a little bit loose. I tied it with a belt. Okay. So I used to love this shirt so much. It's actually like, it reminds me so much of, am I wearing this the right way? Okay. It reminds me of a shirt that I saw like Beyonce wearing in her very first Destiny's Child music video. And I remember wearing this in high school. We went to Miami prom dress shopping. I wore this with some like khaki looking capri pants and I thought I was doing the most. But yeah, this little detail, I love that. I think I actually used to wear it the other way because, do you see how it's got that cutout? No, that looks too big from the front. But I thought this was so cute how it had those two little details. So it's just like a black stretchy cami. Like I said, this isn't a dress, I'm still wearing that black skirt. So it's very cropped. Like everything back then, I remember I always showed this little bit of belly and my mom was always like pulling my shirts down. But I wish I still had some jeans from back then to show you guys, but my jeans like I wore were ripped up because I used to wear flares. That's what was in, and they were always too long because I'm only 5'2". And like I used to have like the bottom would like drag on the ground like nasty, and they were all like shredded up and gross. So that's why we don't see any jeans in here, but a lot of tops. So I think this is still cute. So this is a dress I've never worn. I remember buying this in the early 2000s from R&B. It was originally $88 because I see the tag on it still. Yeah, right. I definitely bought this on clearance. But it's a size large, but it didn't fit me back then. And I was like, I thought the dress was so cute that I was like, I'm going to wait and keep it until I can fit it. And guess what? 15, 16, 17 years later, I can fit it, but it's so not flattering. Like this like drop waist right here. Definitely need a shaper for that, but I think this dress would be cuter if the ruffle started like up here, like that. You know, instead of being super low. So, crazy, right? Still very pretty, like a blush, this like soft blush color. It's just a little bit long for me, but yeah. Okay, so this is another simple black dress that I totally could wear now. It's a little bit big because it's a size large, so the material kind of poofs out weird. But I think this is very wearable now. Like the little Spanish kind of ruffle at the bottom, gives a good shape, simple spaghetti strap. So this is from a store called LVLX, or Level 10 is what I used to call it. I used to shop there all the time in college. So I actually wore this in 2004. So the reason I know that is because I have a picture over here from when we took pictures from my sorority and we all had to wear black. So this dress is 15 years old, and in pretty good condition. So I'll show you the picture. This is me when I was like a junior in college. I was a little thicker, like a snicker. So as you can see, that's a dress. And here I am wearing it now. So yeah, I think like this is definitely worth keeping. It does fit a little bit bunchy, kind of weird at some points, but could totally wear this again. Okay guys, so that was my blast from the past, like trying on my old high school and college clothes. I hope you guys thought that was entertaining. I actually started a pile here though of a couple of pieces that I'm going to take back with me to Atlanta and like, you know, do a little throwback action. So yeah, maybe you'll see them in some upcoming Instagram looks of the day. So which pieces did you guys like? Be honest, like was it like cringy or was it cute? So let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying all these like little fashion hauls I've been doing. Like that's actually what's been interesting to me and like motivating me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao Bellas.